Hey guys, hope you are enjoying this YouTube series. Today we are going to see a very simple problem from LeetCode, which is the two-sum problem. The problem states that we are given a nums array and a target integer. So your goal is to find two integers from the nums array such that they add up to the target integer. Let's take an example given to us. Here we can see the target integer is 9 and the two integers from the nums array that adds up to 9 are 2 and 7. So we'll just return the indices of these two numbers that are 0 and 1. So the brute force approach for this problem will be to loop through the nums array twice. One loop for checking array every number and second loop for finding if that first number has a complement to add up to the target value. But time complexity in this case will be O of n square. So let's think of a better approach. We know that for the second loop we don't need to traverse the whole array from start again. So we need a data structure to store the number in the first traversal itself and check whether its complement exists in the stored data structure. Therefore, we'll use hash map since its time complexity for retrieving data is O of 1. So let's create a hash map. Its type will be integer. And now we need to loop through the nums array. And then we'll find the complement of the number, every number, which will be target minus nums of I. And if this complement if the map contains this complement, then nums of I and complement are the two numbers which we need. So if map dot contains key of complement, then we are just going to return the two numbers which we need in the form of integers. We are going to return the integer array of which will consist the first number as the complement and the second number will be the nums of I, because we need the indices and not the number. So we'll not return the nums of I, we'll return just I. Sorry for that. And map dot key of complement will give us the value that is the index of that complement number. And else if it doesn't contain, we'll just add the nums of I into the hash map. So map dot put nums of I with the value of the index. And so hope you get this. But what if we don't have any solution for this problem, like there doesn't exist any two numbers which add up to the target integer? In that case, we are going to throw an error which will be legal argument exception, and with the message no to some solution. Let's run this. So we are getting okay, so my bad, we need to specify the type of value also. My bad. Now let's run this. Accepted. Now let's submit it. So what will be the time complexity in this problem? Time complexity will be O of n, since we traverse the list containing n elements only once, and space complexity will also be O of n, since the space required depends on the number of items. Extra space required depends on the number of items stored in the hash table. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.